Today, I'm going to show you step by step how to make this double strand bridal hair vine. It's perfect if you want to take part in the tradition of having something blue on your wedding day. So let's get started. Here's all the materials needed to make this hair accessory. You can always swap the blue stones for another color of rhinestones if you want a different look. The first thing we're going to do is create a vine using some oval pearls. The key here is to work directly from the spool of wire. It means you won't run out of it in the middle of making it. Put 72 of your oval pearls onto the wire. I know this can be a bit tedious, but it will be worth it in the end. Once all your pearls are on the wire, we can start forming the little offshoots. Leave about 60 centimeters of wire at the beginning and bend the wire there. Now, bring your first pearl right up to where you just bent it. Twist the wire until it's about 1 centimeter in length. Now, slide the next pearl to the right side, leaving enough space to twist the wire a few times to encase the bead. From now on, twist the wires for about half a centimeter distance before each offshoot. Continue this until all 72 pearls have been used. Cut the wire off the spool. The hair vine I made measured about 48 centimeters. And there you have it. Your main pearl vine is complete. Now you're going to create the second vine that will weave through the pearl vine. For this, you'll need to cut a piece of wire that's about 2 meters long. It seems like a lot, but we need a good length of wire to create the vine and connect the 2 strands of vine without risking running out of it in the middle of the process. Take your wire and find the very first pearl on the vine you just made. Thread the wire through the hole on the first pearl and pull it through so you have 2 equal lengths of wire to work with. Now, twist these 2 wires together for about 2.5 centimeters. Then form a small loop and wrap the wires around the vine to secure it. This loop is what you can use later to attach a ribbon or bobby pins. Twist the two wires together once or twice. Now you can start your decorative pattern. Thread a small 4mm pearl on one of the wires. Bring it down and twist both of the wires together to lock it in place. Next is your something blue. For this, take one of your 6mm opal rhinestones. The rhinestone has 4 holes on the back. Thread one wire through 2 holes on one side and the other wire through the 2 holes on the opposite side. Pull the wires tight so the rhinestone sits snugly and twist the wires together. Then add one more 4mm pearl in the same way you did the first. Now twist the wires together for up to 1 centimeter in length. And then add another pearl, a rhinestone, followed by another pearl. Continue by twisting the wire for up to 1 centimeter and then add a pearl followed by a rhinestone. The next step is what gives the hair vine its intertwined look. Once you've made your first set of decorations, it's time to connect them to the pearl vine. Count 8 of the pearl offshoots along your main vine. Now, take the wires from the decorative strand and wrap them a few times around the main wire, just after the 8th pearl. And there's your first connection. To continue, you're going to build your next section of vine on the opposite side. This is what creates the lovely wave design of this hair accessory. So the pattern is simple. Do what you did with the first part of this vine with the pearls and the rhinestones. another 8 offshoots along the main vine and connect your wires again. Just keep repeating this process, alternating which side you're working on. Continue until you've created 9 of these wavy structures in total. Once you've completed your last wave, create a final loop, just like the one you made at the beginning. Simply twist the remaining wires together for about 2.5 centimeters. Form a loop and take one of the wires and put it through the last pearl on the vine. Wrap the wire ends neatly and securely around the vine. Snip off any excess wire and tuck in the ends with your chain nose pliers so they don't have any sharp edges. To finish the headpiece, take the wires at the end of the pearl vine and wrap those around the base of the loop you just formed. You can put a satin ribbon through the loops, or you can use bobby pins to secure it into a hairdo. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.